So we finally arrived in Kanazawa, and a ton of people around up that station are taking pictures, and even a TV crew is taking video. It's filming a TV, doing interviews of people. That gate is apparently famous for something. I don't know what it is for, but people are taking pictures, so it must be cool. However, personally, I think the way cooler thing is actually on the other side, opposite to the gate. It's this thing here. This thing is a clock made out of water. How amazing is that? This is peak engineering, and I love that. I mean, that thing is cool engineering too, but this is way cooler. A clock made out of water. Man, that's what you need to travel to Kanazawa for, to see the clock made out of water. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, today Tatsui, my wife, and I are on our way from Toyama to Kanazawa. That place is oftentimes referred to as something like a Little Tokyo. No, not Little Tokyo, Little Kyoto. In this video, I, Nico, and my wife Tatsui, we want to show you why you should consider Kanazawa for one of your next trips.
Tatsui and I actually visited Kanazawa 4 years ago already. We loved visiting the place back then, but didn't have the time to see everything. And to change that, we have 4 quests laid out for us today. 1. Visit the peculiar and mildly famous Omicho fish market. 2. Visit the little brother of the famous Eastern Tea House District, Higashichayagai, the aptly named Western Tea House District, Nishichayagai. Whoa. 3. Due to being very close to major fishing spots, the sushi is really good in Kanazawa. 4 years ago, we ate the best sushi we ever ate here, and we want a repeat of that. 4. And finally, determine if once and for all, Kanazawa is worth a visit. So let's go!
But now we are gonna go for a walk to the some sort of market that's apparently also quite famous and popular. Alright, let's go.
Yeah. Let's go.
love you.
Tatsui,
I love you.
愛してる。
Alright, so you see these golden leaves behind us? This is already part of the obsession with gold that I think I already mentioned. Kanazawa literally means the golden wetlands, so people here really have an obsession with gold, and you can see gold decorations at some points. Here they have like a small attraction already in front of the Omicho market, is it Omicho market, where these golden leaves are seen. Lovely. What?
Omicho.
Why are you so excited about it?
So busy. So busy market.
Let's go. Oh wow, you can have craft beer.
For you.
Maybe. Alright, so we only just entered the market and we can already see a ton of cool stuff. Like there's a craft beer something shop. There are amazing meats, amazing fish, and expensive vegetables to buy. So yeah, that looks lovely. It looks cool. Like lots of fresh stuff. It's lovely. So there is a really distinct smell of fish right here, but it doesn't smell super bad, right? It doesn't smell as bad as like other fish places. Our daughter is a celebrity here. Our daughter really is a celebrity around here.
かわいいわ、かわいいわ。寿司vending machine.
Sushi vending machine. I've seen it all now. The sushi vending machine.
First time for me.
I've seen it all now, Tatsui. Honestly, I think it's just really cool to see and look around this place. Even if you're not a huge fan of seafood, it's just a cool experience. And if you do love seafood, this is the place for you. This is literally your heaven on earth. Kanazawa, Omichi, I forgot the name of this market.
Omicho.
Omicho, she's at least useful for something. I love you.
Love you.
I love you. So I just had a problem that I forgot a bunch of my batteries for the camera and the charger as well. So I had very little camera charge left. But the cool thing is, in Japan, there's oftentimes very many tiny stores, like the ones behind me, that sell like specialty stuff. Either they do laundry or they sell things like cameras. And these kind of awesome stores actually also provide services usually. So the guy I came in, he had like a device that allows him to charge basically any battery, which is pretty nuts. It's like an adjustable charger. And these kind of small specialty stores allow for really great service. And these kind of small specialty stores are only able to exist because of the amount of foot traffic that is happening, that is there in Japan. Because of the foot traffic, those stores can stay in business, and because of this foot traffic, and because they stay in business, they can provide really small custom services. And that is the thing, one of the things about Japan that I absolutely love the most. This is the huge advantage of walkable cities, is that you can have a really great services and opportunities for you to also make your own business. Alright. It's lovely. It's lovely. It's really good. Like a really good French croissant. So yeah, we are just about approaching the Nishichayagai, aka the Western Tea District, and it's already quite pretty around here. Right? It really is a pretty place.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just arrived at something called Nishichayagai, which means the Western Tea District. Last time we went here, 4 years ago, we went to the Higashichayagai, the Eastern Tea District. Yeah, so they have two tea districts, tea house. Yeah, so these things that you're seeing here, those are those chayagais, those tea houses. And as you can imagine, there is a bunch of restaurants here in every single one of them. It's pretty cool how they don't they try to stay traditional, so they don't advertise themselves so much as having the best sushi or the best yakiniku or whatever, but it all blends into this environment, creating a really nice atmosphere around here. So really lovely. And yeah, so we want to get some sushi in our price range. Compared to last time, our price range is a lot higher though, so we have more options. Alright. So we are indeed in one of these tea houses right now. We just ordered our food, sushi, roast beef, and a teishoko lunch set for my wife. Yeah, we are just waiting for it to come. And the chef is preparing it right now, super friendly. I love the space here, looks very pretty. So what do you think of the sushi?
So big.
So
Giant.
It really is giant sushi, wow. It's been pre-shoyued, pre-soy sauced. It is so incredibly tender, wow.
So this reaction to the sushi was actually weird. The sushi was unfortunately not very good actually. And I did not realize this at first because I was so convinced that the sushi in Kanazawa would always be good. The power of suggestion is strong. The mistake we made is that we went to a place that serves more than just sushi. When a restaurant serves things other than sushi, it could always make money from customers who purely want to eat that other food. The teishoko and the roast beef here were indeed incredible, and we'd love to eat it again. So in simple terms, if you want to eat good sushi, you have to go to a place that serves only sushi, because a restaurant that only serves sushi would go out of business if the sushi was not good. So, while we failed our quest to eat delicious sushi, we actually learned to appreciate the art that goes into making good sushi because of it. And that, I think, is true value.
Oh yeah. Kazama Shrine.
This is one thing that Kanazawa and Kyoto have in common. We literally just walked around randomly in a way, and we just stumbled upon a really, really pretty shrine. And this is something that happens in both Kyoto and Kanazawa. But this is just what I think is really cool about Japan. You could just wander around and find cool stuff. And this is just what's awesome about the country as a whole. Japan, Tatsui, Japan. Japan. This is really beautiful, right?
Yeah. So beautiful.
Yeah. Huh? The father is always the cameraman.
He's always cameraman.
Alright. That's true for them, that's true for us.
Yeah, that's nice.
So as I already mentioned, due to Kanazawa's obsession with gold, you can buy gold-plated ice cream here.
Here.
Oh yeah, there it is. I love it. Alright, Tatsui, we did it. We just reached the Higashiya...
Higashi Chayagai.
Shh, let me finish. We just reached the Higashi Chayagai district, aka the Eastern Tea House district in Kanazawa. We did so on foot by walking through the Kanazawa Castle Park. That one was pretty, really pretty. Yeah, the Higashi Chayagai is really pretty though, much bigger than the Nishi Chayagai that we went to earlier, the Western Tea District. This Higashi Chayagai is exactly the reason why people call Kanazawa Little Kyoto, because these tea houses are a staple of Kyoto and the reason why many people visit them, and they are here available in Kanazawa as well. So if you want to have the kind of essence of Tokyo in a place that isn't as crowded, go to Kanazawa. That's the trick. Okay, Tatsui, the houses, they are so pretty. Wow. That's just absolutely incredible, and I need to be corrected. There's a lot more tourists here than I expected. So I guess Kanazawa has gotten more popular in the recent times. Thanks to the video I've made.
Yeah, okay.
Thanks to the video I've made 4 years ago. Okay, so actually recently the Shinkansen route from Tokyo opened up. That gives you a direct train from Tokyo to Kanazawa. So as such, you can see there is a lot more tourists here. However, what is still true is that there is still a lot less tourists than in Kyoto. But yeah, lovely place. Like the houses are fantastic here. Wow, that's awesome.
Even though I'm a Japanese person, but still, I love it. Interesting.
Yeah,
here.
because Japan has become very different. It's not this traditional anymore.
Yeah. Western.
It's adopted a lot of Western culture, actually. So yeah, it's really pretty to see like the traditional Japanese way of how houses are made. And that's just lovely. Yeah, I think it's actually really cool how every single one of these houses basically has a store inside of it. But you can't, don't recognize it basically. You really have to stand in front of it and look into it to see what this store is about. But it kind of gives you like a feeling of, hey, I want to check out what is this house in? What is this, that house in? It's like loot boxes. It's like every single house is a new loot box for you to open. Mm-hmm. You don't know what a loot box is, do you, Tatsui?
I don't know. What's that? And what's that?
So yeah, Kanazawa is a city obsessed with gold. Just saw a store here People are obsessed, like everything is gold in there. It's pretty nuts. But yeah, that's Kanazawa for you guys. Cool, right? It's really, really pretty over here.
Walking to the opposite side of the river, we entered Kazuemachi. I initially did not know that this is considered to be the third tea house district of Kanazawa. I thought it was just an extension of the Higashichaya.
So many ryokans here. Ryokan? So many. すごい条件。
All of these tea houses that you're seeing here go back to the Edo period. Well, they probably have been rebuilt since then.
Smells good.
Oh yeah, that's the smell of some wood.
Yeah, wood.
In the past, these tea houses have typically been used for geisha performances. Nowadays, they serve to preserve Kanazawa's arts and crafts traditions.
The sunsets are so pretty in Japan.
Yeah.
I love them. For years you've waited for this.
Yeah,
But-
4 years ago.
But like this is actual real gold on that ice cream. This is not kidding a sleeve of gold. Well,
Good vanilla ice.
yeah.
More gold.
That's some good vanilla. I'd like more some of the vanilla ice, please.
Touch.
Hey Tatsu, do you want to touch an egg?
Yeah. Of course.
Let's touch the egg.
Yeah.
Shoryuken.
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 Hadouken.
So somehow the two of us, actually the three of us, managed to stumble upon a Team Labo exhibition here at Kanazawa Castle. And this is, I think, the cool thing about Japan is you can just sometimes go somewhere and something is happening there. And this is the beauty of Japan. You go somewhere, you don't expect what's going to happen, but what's going to happen is going to be awesome. Do you like
Many eggs.
do you like walking through the eggs?
Yeah. That's funny.
This is the funniest thing I've ever seen in Japan. Touching the eggs, walking through the eggs. This is what I love about Japan. And the entire time I've been to this exhibition, it's been so pretty. The lights have been fantastic. I mean, the entire wall has been illuminated at the start with a huge kind of display of colors. Then the animation of the rabbits. It was all fantastic. The entire time through this exhibition, I've been smiling. I mean, it's really difficult to show. It's really dark, except for the lights. But I've been smiling. And now these eggs are funny. People are allowed to touch them. This is Hadouken. Up smash, side smash, tilt left. This is really entertaining, but I think this is just the beauty of Japan and why I love it so much. I'm so happy that I just came to Kanazawa for the day with my wife and my daughter.
Hungry.
So yeah, this is amazing. This is why I love Japan and why I do want to stay here longer, as long as I can. With you, of course. Japan. What a country. What a country.